I needed a YouTube video idea, and this is what I found. I know what you're thinking. What a great idea! So first things first, you have to feed your cat. I recommend cat food or something edible that cats can eat because they're cats. So whenever they're hungry, then you should feed them food. A good thing about cats is that they can groom themselves. Pro tip, cats love it if you awkwardly poke them. Cats need litter boxes. They end up kicking the litter outside of the box as a present for your feet. The smell of a litter box is honestly breathtaking. Cats love it when you get up and personal with them and tickle their stomach. They end up biting you in return. They love it when you run to them really, really fast. They love it when you interrupt their stretching time by poking them. Cats can let you know if there's any paranormal activity happening around you by staring at nothing. In the end, the most important thing to know is that cats will love you just as much as you love them. Okay, it's recording. Oh wait, do something else. Caramel, meow, 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 meow. Caramel, look at me. Oh wait, can you do something to make him scared? He's sleeping, Dylan. Oh, no, just like jump or something, or run up to him, but no. Go. Dylan. I can see your knee. Do something. To make him squirm. Oh wait, and then let him go so he can run away, but slowly. Oh. No.